सेंटरा कडेन झगडपाचे पयलीं गोंयच्या मंत्रिमंडळाची बसका जावन तांचेर योग्य निर्णय घेवन मागीर वयर वचूं येता. मात आजून तशें कांयच जाल्लें ना. राज्य सरकाराच्या निर्णया उपरांत कितेंय डिसिजन घेवं येता म्हूण आमदार निलेश काब्राल उलयला. पणजेच्यान आडेक्स गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
आज सेक्रेटरी विजय बाबा कडेन सांगला. विजय बाबान मागीर स्टेटमेंट केला की बीजेपी आतां सेंटराक तेणी करपाक जाय. हांवें ताका सांगला की हेज पयलीं कॅबिनेट कितें आसा तें पयलीं डिसायड करा, मागीर आमी सेंटरा कडेन झगड्या. पयलीं गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक कितें जाय तें पयलीं सांगा. तुमी जर ऑप्शन म्हणटा जाल्यार आमी कितें म्हणटाले मागीर कितें करपाचें फुडें लोकांक करूं. So if the state cabinet is in lieu with the assembly decision, see, assembly has already taken a resolution. If they are all in that lieu, which they can always be because they are part of the cabinet, so they can tell the center that this is what the Goa government seeks. So I have requested them, they have all requested them that they should be as per आमचे कितें लागता पळय. विजय बाबा सांगला की I will take up the matter. आतां आमी we are going to meet Francis in Mapsa and 4 आमी सुदीन बाबाक मेवता. So all 3 people who are main today as the helm of affairs, we are meeting everybody, explaining the situation, and we are waiting for their decision.
We respect the Supreme Court, but the issue is because of the Supreme Court. And now we have to गाळ्यो खावच्यो पडटले आमकां. बार ओनरांचेर कितें जाल्लें, बार हायवेज सेम इश्यू न्ही. आमचो सरकार आज 1 वर्स जाता. म्हळ्यार बेजिकली निवडून येवन आमी 1 वर्स जाता. असोच आमी करपाक लागिल्ले. आज घडामोडी जाल्ल्यो 1 वर्स पर्यंत. तेन्ना थोडेच दिसांनी आमकां हो त्रास जाल्लो की बाराच बंद उडयली सगळें. आनी आतां कितें जालां, आतां तीच बारां परती सुरू करूंक लायल्या, पूण इकॉनॉमी काबार केली. सो दीस इज अ व्हेरी पेक्युलियर सिच्युएशन इन द कंट्री, wherein one pillar goes out and completely takes a stand. We respect the Supreme Court, but this is it, and now you have got to handle it now. I feel partial compliance. You have got, this is a case that has to be taken up. We'll take it up with the Chief Secretary.
But this is only partial.
But the main thing about the auction, I personally have kept on saying that my opposition to auction, and it should not be dictated by somebody, some vested interest sitting in Delhi. But this is the way it is going at the moment.
So the debt relief scheme has to be extended.
Those 2 issues I can pick up.